Former cabinet minister and outspoken ZANU-PF critic Themba Mliswa has called on Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga to resign honorably, describing him as an opportunist engaged in superficial theatrics following his isolated dissent against the Constitutional Amendment No. 3 bill during a tense cabinet meeting where he was publicly rebuked by President Mnangagwa. Sarabina mashoko budapangwa inoi tiona Themba Mliswa anoti VP Nkosazana Chiwenga must be fired, he must resign. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Payendo is in breaking news of Blanjirachit. According to Mliswa, credible accounts emerging from the meeting indicate an unequivocal consensus among cabinet members in favor of the bill, with the sole dissenting voice being that of Minister Sanyatwe. However, it was the behavior of Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga that drew the former chairperson to sharpest barbs. Mliswa alleges that the Vice President, after persistent interjections, first direct admonition from President Mnangagwa compelling him to adhere to protocol and issue an apology. This presents a perilous predicament for Vice President Chiwenga, who, after persistent interjections, first admonition from the President compelling him to adhere to protocol and to apologize, Mliswa stated. The legislator characterized Chiwenga's political maneuvering as an impositioned quest for a vanishing target, lamenting what he sees as a string of strategic failures. Mliswa offered a detailed indictment of what he perceives as the VP's waning political capital, listing a series of setbacks. He questioned where the Vice President's internal support lies, pointing to failures to rally backing within party structures. Where then lies the internal support necessary to propel his political aspirations? Even in Mashonaland East, he struggles to garner the requisite foundational backing, Mliswa added, emphasizing that political power cannot be built on external allies from the opposition when one's own party fails to offer acknowledgement. Mliswa argued that politics is a distinct discipline separate from military command structures the Vice President is accustomed to. He accused the Vice President of double standards, attacking a system he remains a part of. His current exhibition of double standards, attacking and benefiting from the same system, undermines any professed adherence to lofty ideals, rendering it a mere facade for self-serving ambitions, Mliswa said. Mliswa invoked the recent passing of veteran liberation war figure Sekuru Geza, who was aligned with Chiwenga, now my Sekuru Geza Pomsho, who was very such aligned with him, is dead and gone just like that, Mliswa remarked. This should also be a lesson in warning to many excitable people that unless you demand equal personal investment from those you support to defend, you risk being exploited and discarded while they remain enjoying. He pointedly noted the silence following Geza's death, no statement on his death, no kubata maoko. Though mashikano muda pangwana itagwa na Mliswa achurch ataka the Vice President. Pina comment section medu zafungura imo to dipa msulupe chitu kuichi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.